Hey guys, thank you for tuning into another video. So today we're going to jump right into the video because today I'm going to be giving you a quick beginner's guide of how you can use Alibaba.com to start your business today. So if you're not familiar with Alibaba.com, pretty much they're your one-stop shop for all things wholesale. If they are this large website that has a bunch of different suppliers that supply anything from eyelashes to water bottles to swimsuits to baby toys, anything that you can think of, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it on Alibaba.com. But pretty much they are a website in which you are able to go there and buy things in bulk and purchase them for your business needs. So the reason I wanted to come on here and make this video for you guys is because majority of my audience, for the most part, you guys are entrepreneurs or pursuing to be an entrepreneur, or you just have some random thought of one day I want to start a business, but you're probably really thinking I don't even know how to start. Where do I get my resources from? What vendors do I use? And so I just want to come on here and make a really quick brief video to get you started. So I'm not going to go too much into depth, but we are going to hop on my computer and we are going to go through pretty much the basics of how to order from Alibaba.com. Before we jump into the video, you're probably asking yourself, okay, so why do I need to use Alibaba.com? There's so many other suppliers out there. What makes Alibaba.com the place to go? Well, one, again, Alibaba has tons of thousands of vendors on their site, and you can order anything that you can think of. I'm pretty sure Alibaba.com has it. So the range is quite wide. Again, it doesn't have to be boutique related like my business. It can be a stationary business, it can be a baby business, whatever you can think of. Again, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it. The reason as to why you may want to purchase from Alibaba is because they don't require any type of special licensing. So for the majority of us who are boutique owners, we more than likely all have some sort of a wholesale license in order to supply or in order to buy from other suppliers. With Alibaba.com, that is not a requirement. You don't need to have a wholesale license. You don't have to have a tax verification. All the other stuff, you don't have to have it. You can simply hop on the website and start purchasing today without any requests for any specific documents for your business. So I definitely believe that is a benefit, because I know with other videos some of you guys may say, oh, you know, the cost of purchasing a license is very expensive in your state. You're not really sure of how to get through the process of actually going and applying for a wholesale license, or you don't even know what the site is to get your wholesale license. So without having to do all of that, you can just go straight to Alibaba.com, and again, you can start looking for things and making purchases right away without requiring any specific documents to do so. Another reason as to why I really do like Alibaba.com, because they do allow you the ability to customize your items. So for those who are looking to actually build brands and you want your name on everything, Alibaba.com is a great source in which you will be able to do that. Now, I do know a lot of businesses that do go through Alibaba.com for that specific reason. So say you want to get poly mailers, or you want to get boxes, or you want to get hang tags. All those things can be found on Alibaba.com, in which you will have the ability to work with them to be able to customize the items to your liking and putting your brand on your items. So I know a lot of you have been asking that question of, how do I put my name on this? Or how can I get my name on my poly mailers? Or how can I get, you know, custom boxes for the items on which I'm selling? Again, Alibaba is a great place to start. All you have to do is find the proper vendor, and they will work with you to allow you to do custom logos. And which, again, we're getting ready to go hop on my computer, and I'm gonna show you how simple and easy the process is. So stay tuned. Alibaba.com on my computer. So this is what their homepage looks like. It has a lot going on, but believe me, it is so much easier to use. So definitely don't get overwhelmed by what you see. So my first tip for you, if you were to go on the page, is to first definitely sign in or make an account, because you'll definitely need an account to be able to speak with different suppliers. So definitely go ahead and sign in or join for free. It is a free service to use. So definitely hit that login button and make yourself an account to start the process. So once you've made your account, typically what I do is when I come on here, I typically have an idea of what it is that I want to buy. So for me, I really don't go based upon the home page unless it's something that I see on here that I am looking for. I usually go straight to the search bar and put in what it is that I'm looking for. So we're going to clear that because I was looking for some ideas to give you guys, but we are going to search to say I'm looking for beanies. and I want to sell beanies. So when you put in what you're looking for, it pulls it up under, you know, the products, what you're looking for, and then it's going to give you a bunch of different ideas as to what kind of beanies that you're looking for. Typically, I just type in beanies or type in what I'm looking for, and I just go with search, and I'll narrow it down from the next page. So you can see once you put in what exactly that you're looking for, again, it is going to give you tons of options, because again, this website does have tons and tons of suppliers that are able to offer you what it is that you're looking for. Now, the first thing that, I don't know if you guys caught it, but like I was saying earlier, one of the benefits of using Alibaba is that you can do custom items. So as you can see, one of the very first things that pulled up was custom knit beanie caps. And even within the picture, you can see that you're able to put your own logo on these beanies if you wanted to get custom beanies. So that's what I was talking about when I was speaking earlier in regards to that if you want to have your own brand or start your own brand or even custom work, Alibaba.com is definitely a great resource, as they are able to do what it is that you're requesting. Now, once I get to this page, I don't just go with the first thing I just see. I do narrow it down a bit, just as I would if I was on other websites. But one of the things I definitely go for is clicking on this trade assurance. So pretty much what that means is it's going to narrow it down to the suppliers that offer this. Trade assurance pretty much is going to pretty much just make sure that you're getting quality items. If you have any problems in regards to returns, and some other benefits in which you can definitely go and search and look at all the benefits. But having the trade assurance is pretty much just kind of guaranteeing that you do have, you know, a good transaction with the supplier. Another thing that I go for is the verified supplier. So having it set up as a verified supplier is pretty much just verifying that it is an actual supplier that has gone through the requirements to be considered as this verified supplier. So pretty much if they're not verified or it does not offer that trade assurance, I really don't shop from them, because I do want to make sure that I do have a good experience and that I am working with quality vendors when searching on this website. So now that I've narrowed it down to these two here, another thing that I go for with looking at, so say, let's see which one I want to go on here. Let's do this one since it's, actually let's do this one because this is the first one that we saw. So I'm going to go for it with, say I like this one here, what I'm seeing already. So some things that I look for if I was interested in this supplier right here. Again, they offer custom beanies. That's what I'm looking for. It is ready to ship. So when you see this, this is a great thing. Now, the only thing with this, it's ready to ship, meaning that they are ready to go ahead and send out the beanies within a certain time frame, meaning that they're already on stock, they don't have to do anything, and they're ready to send them out to you. Now, if you are looking for custom work, do know that, of course, that's not going to be the case because they have to go forward with doing the custom project. But again, if you are just looking for basic plain beanies, this would be a good supplier, as again they already have them ready and they can send them out rather quickly, opposed to having to actually go forward with the manufacturing of your product. So another one it shows is that it's for adults, so adult sizing, and then it just goes in and it specifies that it is a beanie. So that's how it's kind of able to narrow down based upon what I put in the system. So another thing that I look at here is how to read this is that, so pretty much, and I'll click on it to show you more, your range is anywhere from 64 cents to 166 for a beanie, and they do have $3.27 for shipping, but that is a per, and we'll go look at it, and I'm pretty sure that's a per item pricing because that's rather cheap for shipping. And then it does have a 10-piece MOQ, meaning that there is a minimum order quantity of 10 pieces, meaning that you have to order at least 10 pieces from them in order to purchase these beanies. They are verified. Now, they have been in business for 12 years, which I do like because that lets me know that they are not new to this and that they are true to this. And then they have the rubies. I'm not sure what these are. I'm sure we can find out more, but it being verified, again, that makes me happy. Verified in 12 years. I'm also big on reviews, so you can see other reviews here. So they do have a 4.9. There are 96 reviews, which is a nice amount of reviews to be able to actually trust this company. And again, they specify fast shipping. You're able to go forward with contacting the supplier. If you want to chat somebody, you can do so. So I like everything that I'm seeing on here so far with this company. So I'm going to go forward with clicking on this here. So one of the benefits that I like with the companies with Alibaba.com is they have incorporated videos in here. So they do go forward with showing you what they actually look like. They do provide nice amount of photos to let you know what you're getting. And then again, if you want to customize it, it's just showing you can put your logo there. But it gives a nice amount of visuals in order to feel confident with purchasing for the supplier. So again, here we are with some more reviews, how many buyers they have. So as you can see, the price breakdown for what we saw on the homepage. So pretty much the more pieces you buy, the lesser the price. So if you wanted to start off, say you want to buy 10 beanies, do know you're going to pay $1.95 per piece. If you start off with anywhere from 10 to 99 pieces. As you continue to buy more, that cost goes down. And that's pretty much with any wholesale supplier. The more you buy, the more you save. So let's see here. So pretty much it just has all the different colors. $1.43 minimum one piece minimum order. Oh, if you want to buy a sample. So some places do let you buy samples. So it's saying that pretty much it's $1.43 per piece. It just requires 1 piece minimum order if you want to buy a sample. Now you do have to go forward paying insurance and stuff like that. And then customization, here's some details about customization if you wanted to know more about it, and then you can click on the link to go forward with the customization. And then here's that trade assurance here that we were talking about. So it does have an on-time delivery guarantee and the refund policy with that trade assurance. So that was the benefit of clicking on that trade assurance. So as you can see, they go forward here with the pricing, the breakdown, the processing time, the shipping, it is $32.71. Guarantee delivery by a certain amount of time. And then go back to this. So when we saw it on this first screen, that was that $3.27. So that was per item. So again, if you buy a minimum order quantity, you're paying $3.27 per item, so times 10. That's where you get your $32. So again, they have a guaranteed delivery by January 14th. They do have compensation for delayed delivery. So as you can see, there's just so many different things here that you're able to see. And as you scroll down, it gives you even more information about what it is that you're buying, the pattern, the place of origin, and then it just gives you more pictures, more videos, and what the company has to offer in regards to shopping with them, and some, nice visuals here. So that's what the overall process looks like, and some really good tips and benefits in regards to purchasing through Alibaba.com. So the only other thing I want to show you guys is if you are looking to do something quick, there is a ready to ship button on here, which I really do like this page as well. Ready to ship pretty much is if you're purchasing a low MOQ of items, these items are ready, and again, based upon what it says, they're ready to ship, meaning that they can get you out fast dispatch within 7 days because they have these items already on deck and they're ready to be packaged up and sent out. Now again, if you're looking to do custom items, I wouldn't recommend this because of course they're not going to be able to get your items out within 7 days if they're custom, as it does take a little bit more work to do so for custom items. But again, based upon what it is that you're looking for, feature suppliers, low MOQ, they can get you items out rather quickly. Now do take into hand, because just because they send them out does not mean you're going to get your items in 7 days. It means that they're going to dispatch them, meaning that they are going to send them out to you within that time frame. And then of course, normal shipping time based upon UPS or DHL or whoever is used to get it to you, it does take time for them to get it to you. But again, in order for them to dispatch it, they are guaranteeing that they are able to get it out within a certain amount of time with those ready to ship items. So just in case you're looking for something quick to flip, or you need inventory fast, or you need something quick, definitely look into that ready to ship button, as that is definitely going to benefit you. So I hope this helps kind of give you an overall idea of what it looks like to purchase from Alibaba.com. There are so many different other things that you can find on here that, like I said, they sell everything from jewelry over to glasses, over to body shapers, the baby items, swimsuits, everything that you can think of is able to be found on Alibaba.com. I've had great communication with the suppliers. I've never had any time where I didn't feel like I was getting the information in which I had requested. So definitely check out their website. It is great and beneficial to use. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to hit me up down below or even send over a message, and I will definitely try to get back to you as soon as possible. So if you are interested in shopping, I did put the link down below for you guys, so definitely give that a click and that'll direct you right over to the website. And I hope that helps you with all of your business needs and next year, and I'll see you guys in the next video.